Hello everybody. In this you'll find everything you need to know about Alzheimer's disease. So let's get started. What is this disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive form of dementia. Dementia is a broader term for conditions caused by brain injuries or diseases that negatively affect memory, thinking, and behavior. These changes interfere with daily living. There's no cure for Alzheimer's, but there are treatments that can slow the progression of the disease. Alzheimer's facts. Although many people have heard of Alzheimer's disease, some aren't sure exactly what it is. Here are some facts about this condition. Alzheimer's is a chronic ongoing condition. Its symptoms come on gradually, and the effects on the brain are degenerative. They cause slow decline. There's no cure for Alzheimer's, but treatment can help slow the progression of the disease and may improve quality of life. Anyone can get Alzheimer's disease, but certain people are at higher risk for it. This includes people over age 65 and those with a family history of the condition. Alzheimer's and dementia are not the same thing. Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia. There's no single expected outcome for people with Alzheimer's. Some people live a long time with mild cognitive damage, while others experience a more rapid onset of symptoms and quicker disease progression. Dementia versus Alzheimer's. The terms dementia and Alzheimer's are sometimes used interchangeably. However, these two conditions are not the same. Alzheimer's is a type of dementia. Dementia is a broader term for conditions with symptoms relating to memory loss such as forgetfulness and confusion. Dementia includes more specific conditions, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and others. Alzheimer's disease causes and risk factors. Experts haven't determined a single cause of Alzheimer's disease, but they have identified certain risk factors, including age. Most people who develop Alzheimer's disease are 65 years of age or older. Family history. If you have an immediate family member who has developed the condition, you're more likely to get it too. Genetics. Certain genes have been linked to Alzheimer's disease. Having one or more of these risk factors doesn't mean that you'll develop Alzheimer's disease. It simply raises your risk level. Alzheimer's and genetics. While there is no one single identifiable cause of Alzheimer's, genetics may play a key role. One gene in particular is of interest to researchers. Apolipoprotein E, APOE, is a gene that's been linked to the onset of Alzheimer's symptoms in seniors. Blood tests can determine if you have this gene, which increases your risk of developing Alzheimer's. But keep in mind that even if someone has this gene, they may not get Alzheimer's. The opposite is also true. Someone may still get Alzheimer's even if they don't have the gene. There's no way to tell for sure whether someone will develop Alzheimer's. Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Everyone has episodes of forgetfulness from time to time. But people with Alzheimer's disease display certain ongoing behaviors and symptoms that worsen over time. These can include memory loss affecting your daily activities, such as your ability to keep appointments. Trouble with familiar tasks, such as using a microwave. Difficulties with problem solving. Trouble with speech or writing. Becoming disoriented about times or places. Decreased judgment. Decreased personal hygiene. Mood and personality changes. Withdrawal from friends, family, and community. Symptoms change according to the stage of the disease. Alzheimer's stages. Alzheimer's is a progressive disease, which means the symptoms will gradually worsen over time. Alzheimer's is broken down into 7 different stages. Stage 1, there are no symptoms at this stage, but there might be an early diagnosis based on family history. Stage 2, the earliest symptoms appear, such as forgetfulness. Stage 3, mild physical and mental impairments appear, such as reduced memory and concentration. These may only be noticeable by someone very close to the person. Stage 4, Alzheimer's is often diagnosed at this stage, but it's still considered mild. Memory loss and the inability to perform everyday tasks is evident. Stage 5, moderate to severe symptoms require help from loved ones or caregivers. Stage 6, at this stage, a person with Alzheimer's may need help with basic tasks, such as eating and putting on clothes. Stage 7, this is the most severe and final stage of Alzheimer's. There may be a loss of speech and facial expressions. Diagnosing Alzheimer's disease. The only definitive way to diagnose someone with Alzheimer's disease is to examine their brain tissue after death. But your doctor can use other examinations and tests to assess your mental abilities, diagnose dementia, and rule out other conditions. They will likely start by taking a medical history. They may ask you about your symptoms, your family medical history, other current or past health conditions, current or past medications, your diet, alcohol intake, or other lifestyle habits. From there, your doctor will likely do several tests to help determine if you have Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's tests. There is no definitive test for Alzheimer's disease. However, your doctor will likely do several tests to determine your diagnosis. These can be mental, physical, neurological, and imaging tests. Your doctor may start with a mental status test. This can help them assess your short-term memory, long-term memory, and orientation to place and time. Your doctor may also conduct a neurological exam to rule out other possible diagnoses, such as Parkinson's disease or stroke. During this exam, they will check your reflexes, muscle tone, and speech. Your doctor may also order brain imaging studies. These studies, which will create pictures of your brain. Alzheimer's medication. There's no known cure for Alzheimer's disease. However, your doctor can recommend medications and other treatments to help ease your symptoms and delay the progression of the disease for as long as possible. For early to moderate Alzheimer's, your doctor may prescribe medications such as donepezil, Aricept, or ribastigmine, Exelon. These drugs can help maintain high levels of acetylcholine in your brain. This is a type of neurotransmitter that can help aid your memory. Other Alzheimer's treatments. In addition to medication, lifestyle changes may help you manage your condition. For example, your doctor might develop strategies to help you or your loved one. Focus on tasks. Limit confusion. Avoid confrontation. Get enough rest every day. Stay calm. Preventing Alzheimer's. Just as there's no known cure for Alzheimer's, there are no foolproof preventive measures. However, researchers are focusing on overall healthy lifestyle habits as ways of preventing cognitive decline. The following measures may help. Quit smoking. Exercise regularly. Try cognitive training exercises. Eat a plant-based diet. Consume more antioxidants. Maintain an active social life. The bottom line. Alzheimer's is a complicated disease in which there are many unknowns. What is known is that the condition worsens over time, but treatment can help delay symptoms and improve your quality of life. If you think you or a loved one may have Alzheimer's, your first step is to talk with your doctor. They can help make a diagnosis, discuss what you can expect, and help connect you with services and support. And if you're interested, they can also give you information about taking part in clinical trials. That's all for this video. If you find it useful and you liked it, please click on the like button below the video, and subscribe in your channel, Be Your Doctor, and please don't forget to activate the bell to get all our new videos in your notifications. Have a nice day.